In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Zoho Sheet effectively and efficiently so you can manage your data like a pro. Whether you're new to spreadsheets or just new to Zoho Sheet, mastering how to enter and edit cell data is a fundamental skill that will serve you well in countless scenarios. Let's start by diving into the process of editing the data in a single cell. This is one of the most basic yet essential tasks you'll perform in Zoho Sheet, and understanding this will set a strong foundation for more complex spreadsheet tasks. Imagine you have a spreadsheet open and there's a specific cell you need to update. The first thing you'll want to do is click on the cell you intend to edit. This action selects the cell, highlighting it to show that it's ready for edits. Now, to actually make changes to the content of the cell, you need to enter the edit mode. You can do this in two straightforward ways. Either double-click on the selected cell or simply press the Enter key on your keyboard. Either action will open the cell for editing, allowing you to modify its contents. You'll notice that the appearance of the cell might change slightly, perhaps showing a cursor or highlighting the text, indicating that you can now type directly into it. Go ahead and make the necessary changes inside the cell. Whether you're correcting a typo, updating a figure, or adding new information, editing cells is all about precision and attention to detail. Once you've made your adjustments, you'll want to confirm them. This is done by pressing the Enter key again. It's a simple step, but essential, as it finalizes your changes and exits you from the edit mode. One tip to keep in mind throughout this process is to ensure that you're certain of your edits before hitting that Enter key. Once confirmed, the changes are applied to the cell, and this could be critical in contexts where accurate data is vital. Also, if you realize you've made a mistake after confirming your changes, remember that Zoho Sheet allows you to undo actions. So, don't worry too much if you need to revert back quickly. Editing cells are fundamental to managing your spreadsheets effectively. Mastering this basic skill will allow you to keep your data accurate and up to date. As you continue using Zoho Sheet, you'll find that these foundational skills will make navigating and manipulating your sheets much easier. So there you have it, a simple yet essential way to ensure your spreadsheet data is always accurate and reliable. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore and experiment with your data in Zoho Sheet. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tutorials on making the most out of your Zoho Sheet experience.